This is not a score or a diagnosis. It is a gentle check-in for moments when your thoughts feel heavier than usual. Ask yourself, are these thoughts passing through, or are they starting to feel powerful and hard to ignore? Feeling empty, trapped, or like a burden can be a warning sign. It does not mean you are weak. If you are thinking about when, where, or how you might hurt yourself, treat that as urgent. You deserve help right now. The safest next step is simple: contact someone. A friend, family member, doctor, crisis line, or emergency service. You do not have to explain everything perfectly. Even saying, "I am not safe alone right now," is enough. Move away from anything dangerous, stay near another person, and make the next hour safer, not perfect. Small actions can help your brain slow down: drink water, breathe, walk, sit somewhere visible, and keep your phone nearby. Suicidal thoughts are treatable. Talking to a professional can help you survive the worst wave and build a real plan. If this feels personal, please reach out now. You are not a problem to solve, you are a person worth protecting.